good morning everyone. So time check, it's already 11:30 in the morning. So we're here at the atrium for the Senior Student Council team building. So karon kay nag-lecture si Ms. Glozzy about the organization structure. So let's go.
Hello guys, I am Josh Benedict Fuentes from the Commission on Elections, and today we're having our team building program. So this program is a very important initiative to foster collaboration among our officers and for the betterment of the operations of the whole Senior Student Council. And currently, we're having our talk with Ms. Glozzy Pial, our Senior Student Council moderator, for us to know further about our organizational structure. Thank you.
Why conducting a team building for first, may bala na ang rules and regulation diri sa SCC our organization. And second, of course, since happy naman ang in-terms of, it's also a good time for us to know each other as well. Yung mga ikot ng mga times na get to know. So this day, best na kayo get to know.
Alright! Malakpakan naman dyan!
Team building so far.
So far, team building is very, very fun and very, very engaging. Since first activity is katong mag-write me sa mong name sa paper and then ipasa-pasa siya to let everyone write their feelings about you, mga ganon. So, lingaw kayo siya guys. Tapos, ang next agenda naman is nag-lesson si Ms. Glozzy about the Senior Student Council kung sa mga behind the background stories and ana. So far, so good and entertaining.
The team building so far, it's very nice. Naka-socialize with mga other people. Naka-ila ko from other strands as well. Nice kayo niya, mas na-learn na po na ako ang structure sa SSC. Murag mas deeper understanding ang organization. That's all.
Team building so far is fun and I enjoyed the morning event, morning activities, especially this one. Because kaya nakabalo ko sa mga insights sa tao sa ako and also nakabalo po ko sa katong gi-explain ni Ms. Glozzy about sa kung unsa tong structure sa SSCJ. Para to.
The deal building sa SSC went so well earlier ganiya. So tapos to gain insights on what actually nilalihok sa each committee on sa ilang mga goals and purpose, and also on sa ato ang goals na diriya sa SSC nga nag-join ta diriya. So I could say it actually went so well. I also got to know a lot of more people and gain knowledge.
Today we had our team building and all I can say is everyone was very participative. They were grouped in other members of the committees, but they were able to execute the true meaning of being a leader, which is being able to have that connection with other people and build relationship with them.
And I'm very confident sa future sa council because I've seen their teamwork now, even if small time na ang gihatag sa ilaha. And I think that's such a factor because even if they show their teamwork within the games, it can still be applied to the real life experience sa council. Very confident na the future of our council will be in good hands.
We are looking forward to the upcoming events of the Senior Student Council. So all we can say is kaya sa SSC.
Perfection naman for today's team building is that naailahi na characteristics ang iba't ibang tao sa council, and most especially na sila strength in physical and appreciation sa mental. And napansin ko na ako in the morning is ay balo sila nga nagka-close din sila tungod sa right letter.
Overall, ato is not just like connection. They're able to do all those things na kaya nilang finish ilang mga tasks throughout the day because build silang connection. Through this event, kami facilitators, organizers, we're happy seeing na sila organization, nagka-connect sila with each other, which is mo ang main goal aning event. Reflect na mo nga, this is something kailangan do di ay